Thank you for watching this video. This video is meant to be an overview of the Oscar SIM card management platform for prepaid accounts. The Oscar platform is a powerful yet easy to use tool to manage all of your SIM cards in one place. When you first log into Oscar, you will be presented with a dashboard view. The dashboard view provides an overview of the important aspects of your account. Looking at this page, at the top of the page, you will see the statuses of all the services on your account and a trend for spending on your account for the last 2 months. Moving down the page, you will see a 90-day trend for data and SMS usage, as well as your top 10 users for data and SMS. A little further down the page, you will see a map view showing where in the world all of your SIM cards are being used. And at the bottom of the page, you will see 2 donut charts. The one on the left will show the statuses for all the SIM cards on your account, whether they are active, blocked, etc. And the one on the right will show your SIM card types of all of your SIM cards. Most accounts will only have one type of SIM card on their account. The next page on the Oscar platform is the SIM card page. The SIM card page lists in table view all of the SIM cards on your account. It will provide important information like APN settings, the ability to download into a CSV file all of your SIM cards and their usage records. From here you will be able to activate SIM cards, change the balance on SIM cards, view usage on SIM cards. You can also perform all of the management functions on the SIM cards by clicking Recharge Settings, SIM Settings, Service, Device, and User Profile. You can also access these functions by simply clicking on one of the telephone numbers of an active SIM card. When I click the telephone number of an active SIM card, I will be immediately taken to the recharge settings of that particular SIM card. On this page, you will notice all of the icons from the main SIM card page are also displayed here. Recharge settings are meant to automatically recharge your SIM card with a particular amount if the minimum balance goes below a certain amount. You can also set a monthly spending limit for all of your SIM cards and be notified if your SIM card goes below a certain amount. You can also recharge the SIM card with any dollar amount here at the top of the page. The next tab is the SIM Settings tab. On the SIM Settings tab, you will be able to block your SIM card, toggle internet data on and off, set country restrictions so the SIM card will not operate in particular countries, choose your discount data plan, set an IMEI lock tying the SIM card to a particular device IMEI, add or remove a static IP address, include in alarms or not, and set a particular date for deactivation or blocking the card automatically. The next tab is the Service tab. On the Service tab, you will be able to send portal SMS, view active data session, check the network registration history for the SIM card, reconnect the SIM card, which takes the SIM card off the network and puts it back on, which is used for troubleshooting, and view today's usage records. The next tab is the Device tab. The Device tab is where you put the device model in which the SIM card is inserted. This is a free-form field where you type in any model type that you're using. The next tab is the User Profile tab. On the User Profile tab, you can enter an end user name or a nickname for the SIM card. This could be a customer name, a location, whatever you would like. It is a free-form field and you can type whatever you wish. You will also notice that you can put in an email address to allow a particular person to have limited access to this particular SIM card. This access will allow them to configure data settings and to activate discount data plans. The next page under SIM cards is alarms. Alarms are simply notifications that are sent to you by email and displayed here in the portal if certain criteria is met based on your settings. The main categories of the criteria are data use, data packages, money use, SMS use, and voice use. The next page under SIM cards is activation templates. Activation templates are used to set up your SIM cards with commonly used settings. You can activate SIM cards with these templates. You can either activate the SIM cards with these settings, or under batch operations on the SIM card page, you can activate many SIM cards with these templates, and you can create as many templates as you wish depending on your needs. The next section of the Oscar platform is the billing section. When you click on billing, you are immediately taken onto the History tab. Notice, on the upper left-hand corner of every page in Oscar will show your corporate balance. The first tab under History is Payments. Payments will show anything bill affecting onto the corporate balance. For example, personal extra numbers, VPN fees, any account recharges, etc. The next tab is the SIM Update tab. The SIM Update tab will show anything bill affecting on the particular SIM cards themselves. Things like blocking, recharges from the corporate balance, activations, etc. The next tab under Billing is Recharge Settings. Much like the recharge settings for the particular SIM cards, the corporate recharge settings will notify you if your balance goes below a certain amount, and you can set to automatically recharge your account with a certain amount when the balance goes below a certain amount. The next section of the Oscar platform is Reports. Reports can be generated based on certain categories. These particular categories are SIM card status, data packages, data usage, and money usage. You would choose the particular report that you want to generate, click on Generate, and then the report will show here in the Oscar platform. The next page of the Oscar prepaid platform is VPN. The VPN page is where you order optional services such as static IPs, VPN, and private APN. When ordering a range of static IPs, you want to ensure that you order a range large enough to cover future deployments. The next section of the Oscar platform is New Order. Under New Order, you can add funds to your corporate balance, as well as order new SIM cards for your account. The next section of the Oscar platform is Admins. Admins is where you assign new administrators onto the portal. You can do this by clicking on the Register New Admin button, filling out the information, and clicking Save. Once that new administrator is saved to the account, you can limit the functionality and the SIM card access that that particular administrator has. The next section is a Profile tab. The Profile tab simply lists your information. This information can be edited at any time. The next section is the Rates tab. When you click on the Rates tab, a new page will open. You would choose the country in which you want to view the rates, and all of the rates for the SIM cards will be shown here. The last tab is the Help tab. The Help page will show FAQs for the prepaid plans, and at the bottom, a link to support, as well as telephone numbers for our support. Thank you again for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. Please look for more in-depth tutorials for each particular section of the Oscar platform.